Okay, we got the engine running. We're still on the stand. Very important that we're not going to make anything operate. So we talked about this lever, which is in neutral. Keep it in neutral for the moment while I show you the accelerator. You can see just about there's a tortoise and a hare. Quite obviously, if you go towards the hare, the engine goes quicker. If you come to the tortoise, the engine slows down. That's absolutely vital if you're going to be doing delicate edge cuts. You slow the machine down so you can make sure that you're cutting precisely, exactly to the millimeter actually of what you want to do. Now this lever will actually engage the wheels and make the wheels turn. You literally depress the engine and there you can see the wheels turning, the crankshaft and the barrel, which will help you roll the machine either while you're cutting or when you're not cutting. You can roll it and you can cut at the same time. But what you can also see, I hope, is that the blades are not turning. And we have not engaged the blades yet. We've only engaged the wheels. So the machine is not able to cut at this point. But let's say you want to now cut. You return the lever back to neutral. Never engage this lever with the wheels turning. Leave that lever there, switch off the wheels. Now this lever, when moved there, this position is just a roller. This position engages the blades. Come back to the lever, put the blade down, and hopefully you can see that the blades are turning. When you come to a stop, switch everything off. Very, very simple. Now, there's one more lever, and that's this one here. Only if for some reason you're cutting and the machine gets out of control, you can pull this lever and it will disengage the engine and stop the machine. Don't really want to do that because I don't want to not start the machine again. You pull the lever towards you and it will disengage everything. Now, to talk about that very briefly, I have never had to use it because in all logic, if you want to disengage the machine, you just stop it, which must be nearly equal to the same thing. Okay, if you do this, it actually freezes the machine, but that can, to my feeling, be a bit more risky because then you got momentum yourself and now the machine has stopped and you're getting nearer the machine. I've never had to, even in my learning time, had to freeze the machine. So we've now been through all the checks, everything's working. To be completely honest, I'd like to clean the machine a bit more before I attempt my first cut. But I'm going to see now what happens and what we can do. Hopefully the machine will be able to take the grass, which is very long, and we'll attempt that in a minute. Thank you.